Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Oceans. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. I am happy to see you again. Friends, I am here to show you an amazing platform, but this is not a financial advertise. It's just an opinion in this video. So stay with me after this intro. Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Oceans. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. So today we have here the BingX exchange platform, one of the best exchange platform ever. So the BingX is a leading crypto exchange and Web3 AI company. On May 20th 2025, during the BingX 7th anniversary, we unveiled the BingX AI strategy, making a bold new chapter in our AI-driven journey. On September 10, 2025, we are taking the next leap forward. So BingX AI Master is designed to be your limited AI trading strategy, simulating the strategies of legendary investors, delivering AI optimized recommendation and guiding you through every stage of your trading journey. So as you see, ladies and gentlemen, you can trade with the BingX, the spot, the futures, and the grid trading. They have a lot of things and it is really secure. Your assets, it is secured. They have compliance metric, the 2FA identification, and it is transparency. So how you can get started just in 3 minutes. The first step, how you can buy crypto with P2P, then you can start make a copy trading. After that, how you can make a deposit and withdrawal. I will show you how you can do this. We have here some biggest crypto events around the world. As you see, the 7th University in Argentina, the Blockchain Live in Dubai, and the Token 2049 in Dubai. So you can see some partners like Chelsea, one of the biggest England team, as you see, and you can also trade anytime, anywhere. That's how you can do this, only by downloading the app, the BingX app on iOS and on your Android phone. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. So I will show you how you can make a trade in crypto, because you can trade a lot of tokens, as you see, and make a copy trading. So this feature of the copy trading, I will show it to you how you can do this for today. It is simple. This is the guide or the article that explain everything about the copy trading for guide for users. So you can just make a copy trading like this. After that, you can copy anyone, you can select any trading that you want, then you can just make a copy. So here we have, you can put anything that the price, for example $50 or the margin, and here you can put the copy trading funds. Then you can just make, so you can do everything is here. So you can edit the order if you want, for sure. We have here some things like edit orders, and you can confirm it by here. So after that, you can stop the copy trading any time that you want, and you can see here the opening positions for there and the closing positions. So you can see every details here available on this app. You can check it by yourself, ladies and gentlemen, and for sure I will show you how you can do this. So now let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is make a deposit. So you can create your account on your I will put the link under this video's description. Then you can just make here make a deposit. So go here and you have to make an advanced verification like the ID, photos, and face or connect on the daily deposit limit, and you can see the monthly deposit limit for sure. So you can complete first the QIC, then let's get started. So after I complete my identification, you can just check here and make some trading funds. As you see, I have make a lot of things. So just select the crypto, for example USDT, select the network, for example BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum or TRC20. Then you can just get your address wallet, and for sure you can copy the link here and make a withdrawal from another wallet, or you can use this QR code, just make a screenshot for it. So after that, you can get some funds. Then you can just make As you see, I have make a lot of deposits, $100 here. I have some funds here, so let's go and make some copy trading. So we have here your copy global allied traders established 11,530,546 copy relationship. So it means a lot of people really join us. So you can see the future trader here and the spot traders are here. So you can select which one that you want to make a copy with them. And we have here some competitive size ranking and account level, the account assets here, the copiers, the trading 30 days ROI, and cumulative PNL, etc. So I am focusing on the PLL. As you see, this one for the 30 days has plus 4%. Let's check it. This one chart rip, as you see. Let's see for the last 7 days, and it has minus 1%. So I don't like it. Let's back to select another one. For example, this one, the gold digger. So let's check it. This one has 4,500 followers. It is from Vietnam, and he joined 5 years ago. So you can see the translator, what he said is a part of the plan. So you can see the last 30%, the last 30 days, he has plus 157%. It means good. Last 7 days, let's see, he has also a good currency. As you see, it is really standard features, as you see. So this is the copiers, people really joined them in the last 7 days. As you see, the trade history of this one, he just work on Litecoin. He lost in the last 2 orders, as you see, and he win for the BNB again. So the recurrent position, he has no data available. So you can just search one by one till you find the good one for you guys. So that's it. You can just make here, and let's see this one also. Last 7 days, he has plus 2.5%, and some trade. As you see, this is the trade history, and this is the positions now. So you can just make a copy trade for this one. If you like it, you can make copy like this. You have to copy minimum funds, copy trading funds equal or more than $20, not $20 like this. So this one, let's get started with this one. The fund account available $10. So I need to make some exchange here. You can select from this one, then you can make, for example, $20, and we have here the slippage stinks percent. If you wanna if the difference between the estimated open price for you and the open price of the trader exists your set percentage, we can let it 1% or 2% or 5%. We have here some advances like stop loss or stop winning percent. You can select which one, and you can also follow this one. So let's go and make copy. So now we are copy successfully. As you see, when the trader executes a trade, you automatically copy their trade. You can check which one that you wanna trade with it for sure. So you can see my subscription from here, and you can find this one. See this one also for the last 7 days, plus 60%, and you can see some information about the trading data of this trader. So let's make a copy like this, and you have to select again this one, make for example $20, and you can just copy his trading. So you can view the details here. You can see the PNL of USDT, the released PNL, and any released PNL. So the traders are here, the positions are here, and you can see the transaction history here. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try with another one. For example, let's see the golden digger. This is the trading traders, and we have here this one. Let's check this one also for the last 7 days, and it is really good. So some positions, some trade history, and let's trade with this one. Let's trade this one. For example, let's do $20. You can see here per orders if you want the bargain $5 or the copy trading $5. So let's copy trade for this one. It is finally we have here an event, a big event. You can get a 1000 USD bonuses voucher for your future trade. This is a competition, limited offer time. You can see it like this. So we have here the BingX is offering a special limited time protection benefit for new users in future trading. You can complete the first future trade within 72 hours of signing up, and if you incur a loss, you will receive $100 in this. So this is the price. How you can join it. First of all, register for the event. So you can just make a register like this. Second thing, you can make a deposit of any amount. Skip if you are already deposit, because I have deposit before. So the third step is complete future trading with any amount. It means no restrictions on the type of future or token. So you can make a trade on the future trading, sorry. So you can just go and trade. This is the copy trading. So you can check here your token that you want to make a trade, and after that you can see everything is here. So you can check it by yourself. We have here 15 minutes, you have here 1 day, and you can check everything here. So you can make a open or close. You can close long or close short, or what you have to do is select if you want to do a limit or the market or the trigger. You can select which one. After that you can put how much that you want to make a trade with, and you can open long or open short like this. So we have here the orders. I have my orders. You can cancel it whenever you want, for sure, and you can do a limit market or the close market. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. After that, let's back to the account here. So as you see now with this trader, we have plus $0.27. As you see, it means it is really good for you guys. This one is really good. You can subscribe or you can copy the trader for this one, because as you see it, the last 7 days there was 7%, as you see. So everything is clear with this one. I really like it. We have here the released PNL. Now it is plus 0.14 USDT. So I just earn with this one. We have $50 with 5x leverage in the voucher code. So you can just check it here. Go to the my vouchers, as you see, and you have to put your code. So I will put the code for my code for sure. This is my code. I will put it under this video description. Then you can just click here, redeem voucher. So you can see here the success of bonus. We have 50 USDT, but this 50 USDT, you have to be careful that you need to activate it before the 1st of November. So you can just click here, activate it like this, the event reward, and this is the voucher is completed. So don't forget that I will put it under this video description. If you need any helps, just put it on this screenshot, or you can put it on the first comment. And this is only for the first 50 new users can claim this offer. It is available for 14 days after the redemption, and the redemption code can be redeemed before November 13th at the first time, as you can see here. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. And see, so you have to make a copy trade. As you see, the minimum amount is 1 USDT, and don't forget to read these rules for sure, because it helps you for sure. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon, guys, in the next videos, and goodbye.